everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Robson. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be doing an ocean swipe using my two CELL Activator recipes, number 1 and number 2. Let's get you down on the canvas. Okay, so I found these thin wood planks and I would really like to try them out. They're not your typical thicker ones. They were very inexpensive at Michael's, and so I thought, well, why not? Why not try them? So I am going to create, and my hopes today is to create a ocean scene on this plank. I'll do my pillow paint, and then I'll do some blues and greens down below, and then I'll do some purples and reds and a little bit of blue up above, and then I'll do a swipe. And I want to try to see, this is a different size in a square or a circle, and I want to spin it out a little bit because I like the softness that spinning out does. So that's my idea, that's my thought. So let's get started. Here's my pillow paint. It is Sherwin Williams pillow paint, and I am going to actually get this spread throughout the entire project. All right, so it's nice and thick, the pillow paint. See how you can't see my whole device? So that's what I want. I want thick throughout the entire project. And then I'm going to take my ready mixed pouring paints, and I'm going to do one section of it in more of a sunset, sunrise up above here. Not too much. It's probably too much already. This is a darker blue. I'm just going to put a little bit down below here. We're going to do 2/3, so the horizon's right around in there. Phthalo blue and bright blue are the colors I'm using. And then let's put a little bit of blue up here. Probably too much purple up there. I'll put a little bit of this green blue up here. Put this more down here. And I will put some red up above because red and white make pink. So maybe I can get some pink out of the red and the white mixing together. And then let's get some aqua green down below here. Now, my CELL activator that I want to use is white, and I want to use my number 1 CELL activator. My number 1 CELL activator has 13 parts or 13 ounces of Floetrol to 1 milliliter of wood conditioner, and that's the CELL activator. And then I have it mixed with Amsterdam Paint, and the Amsterdam Paint, it's a 3 parts mixed to 1 part paint. So the thickness is like that, if you can see that coming off my stick. So, all right, I am going to put my CELL activator on a really long tool. Let's see, is that going to be long enough? Well, what if I do here and then I do there? Because I'm going to come one direction and then I'm going to come in another direction. So, yeah, I think that'll work. So I'll put that on here. And what I'm doing is I'm just, see how I'm kind of blobbing it actually on my device over here on my tool. Just getting the CELL activator nice and thick on it. Okay, so just making sure it's about the distance. Let's start here. really pretty blues there. I'm hoping that some of this is gonna come up. So let's see if I can use my stick to get some started. It's kind of thicker, so okay, so let's swipe in the different direction this way with my tool, but maybe I'll use a smaller tool so I don't accidentally mix some of the blue greens. Man, those are so pretty. There. So I'm go ahead and putting big mixture, lots of it, on my tool. So it's like that. And then I'm gonna hold this though. See, just going in one direction is the best way to do it, and then I could have tilted off. So next time I'll tilt off this white this way and tilt off this white this way, but can't do that now. I can go like this and tilt that white off, but then it's kind of also working on that there. So let's go ahead and tilt it now this way. Maybe stretching out some of this white will help. Okay, well, let's go ahead and spin it and see what happens, because I can always scrape it if I want to, right? I could always do that. And the red is too red. I'm not liking that. So I almost need to probably mix that red with pink. Some interesting stuff happening there after I stretched it. So I might redo this one. I think I'm going to go ahead and spin it out. And let's retry it. I don't know, now the red's starting to look a little pinker because I'm spinning it. But see how right here, something has happened with the paint right through in here that I'm not liking. I'm not sure what it is. I'm wondering if it's happening up here too. It must be these things reacting together, and then stretching it maybe. Here, let's try it. Well, I kind of like that, so I think I'm going to leave that, and then I'll mix the white with some of the red to get more pink up there. But this is nice. I like it. Not exactly what I was looking for, but the cells kind of help the reaction of the water. It almost look like it's reflecting. So yeah, so I think I'm just going to leave this for now, and we'll see how it dries with the plank, because I'm also using wood too as well. All right, thanks for joining me. Okay, so another experiment with wood, and I'm using a different cell activator. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pillow down here. Which is the reason why I do a pillow, is to float the colors on top as I spread it around. And okay, so, and I'm thinking, you know, the white just kind of seemed to clump in one area, so I need to make sure that I start off the side and kind of come in. But I did take red and the metallic white of the Ready Mix pouring paint, and I put that in this to make pink. That's what the pink is. And then let's go ahead and get a little bit of purple up here. Not too much, I just want a little bit. There we go. Had too much purple last time, I think. And then let's get some blue down here. This is the ocean, and that is the horizon. So I'm gonna make sure I put a big line there. Horizon's always usually darker, so that's why I usually do a darker color in my horizons. And this blue and the green blue just are gorgeous together. So I'll make sure that I put that. Now this right here is kind of a blue green. It's turquoise, and so I'm gonna put some bright blue, I think, up here, not turquoise blue, because I don't want the green and the pink to kind of combine. I just kind of want that. Okay, and then last but not least, the Aqua Green, which is so pretty. Okay, so now that I've got that, my CELL Activator is my number 2 mix, and my number 2 mix is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. It's a lot thinner. And then I add that to my Amsterdam white, and it is 2 parts paint, 2 parts mix to 1 part paint. So, because it's quite a bit thinner than my other one. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to swipe in one direction and swipe in another direction here. Just one swipe. Just one swipe, and I'm going to start off the side and come in. Okay, so let's start with the aqua stuff. And let me go ahead and I'm going to pour this on here. Oops. Need this stick out of the way though. I'm just going to pour a puddle like that. Come down there. Okay. So start off the side. Just one swipe. This time. And then I'll do one swipe this direction. Okay. I think I'll use the same tool. Just going to put a puddle down the center. Come off the side and across. And I need to come up to this up there. Yeah, I'm not sure how that's going to work, because see that right there? You see that streak right there. The blue looks amazing. Let's go ahead and get some more on my stick, my tool, and let's come in a different direction this way. Okay. So I'm just going to let that kind of, the cells pop up a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and spin it. I'm not going to stretch it like I did last time, but we'll spin this out and see how it goes. I didn't get enough there. I think I'll just dip this in my CELL Activator here. Just kind of come across there. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this out. Ooh, I like it. So the center, you're going to see it doesn't come out near as much as the sides do, and that is partially because of the fact that the center, you know, kind of stays in the center. So I'm going to go ahead and put some CELL Activator on this, and I'm going to come through here. Just to add something there. Oops. I added kind of a wave, didn't I? So let's kind of come through there. All right, let's go ahead and spin this out one more time. And I really like that. Kind of the wave kind of came up into this, and that's okay if it did. It just looks like, you know, your horizon, there's kind of like some sea billow rolling over there. So let's just kind of come across here. A little bit more of that darker blue. And then I'll spin it just slightly one more time. Just to blend it. So I like the spinning because it adds softness to it. So this looks really nice. I like it. And this was using my other CELL Activator. And if you notice, I might see some crazing in a couple of the cells, but I don't see as much. So yeah. All right. We'll see what happens here when it dries and what happens over here, because I'm kind of starting to see the crazing that I was hoping I didn't see in the last one. Okay. Bye for now. Hi everyone, well here are the dried results. Now I haven't varnished them yet, but I used the ready mix pouring paints again on these ones and the CELL Activators. So this is CELL Activator mix number 1, and then this is CELL Activator mix number 2. And I did use more red in that one, and I ended up using red and white mixed together to make my pink there. They both look amazing. I really like both of them in different ways. This one definitely looks like reflective of water down below there. This one definitely looks like a seascape with a, you know, sunrise or sunset. It looks kind of more like a sunrise, but I like them very much both. Again, I'm not disappointed with either of the CELL Activators on these two in any way, shape, or form. So I think either one is going to work for you depending on what you decide you like better. All right, well, I'm going to be doing another experiment with black, doing the exact same thing in the next video. So can't wait to see you then. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye for now. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!